Hey entrepreneurs, welcome back to your Builderall Weekly Update. As you can see, I have quite a few things to cover with you, so before we jump right in, I want to tell you why you need to watch this week's affiliate and member meeting replay. Our fearless leader and CEO, Eric Salgado, stops by to share a few things we can expect in the very near future. He hints at some new things coming to e-learning, webinar tool, a WhatsApp support tool, and the possibilities behind exploring white label. So check it out. Now, let's jump into the rest of your Builderall Weekly Update. So if you missed this week's affiliate member meeting, you'll want to make sure you log into your back office and watch the replays. That's right, from your back office, you can navigate to the top left of your screen and select the meetings you want to join live or watch the replays. Since we're here, you'll also notice that we now have a larger knowledge base button, as well as a new look and button for support. So by now, you know that there's been a recent update to the Builderall commission structure. It still offers a two-tier system, a system that has been restructured to help you build your teams. To learn more about these changes, we invite you to check out this week's blog and reference the link to access your updated commissions earnings guide that breaks down your earnings potential by tier and by plan. In addition, affiliates no longer have to be on a premium or funnel club plan to promote and earn commissions as a Builderall affiliate. Any paid plan automatically qualifies you to start earning. Want to learn more about affiliate qualifications? Check out our blog, as there is an alternative exception to becoming eligible to promoting Builderall as an affiliate. Now, before we jump into more updates, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, please hit the bell icon because anytime we have an update or go live, you'll be the first to know. Speaking of staying updated, want to access our blog, meetings, upcoming Alexa updates, and more? Remember, right from the palm of your hand, it's all possible. Download our Builderall app. To do this, simply log into your back office, click on Builderall Knowledge Base. Once you're inside the Knowledge Base homepage, navigate to More Links at the top of the page and select New Training from the dropdown. Here, you'll get instant access to instructions that walk you through on how to download your Builderall mobile app, Builderall Alexa updates, and our newly added Builderall Digital Planner. Wait, we have a digital planner? That's right, Builderall is giving you a free digital planner. Follow the step-by-step instructions guide to get yours. Once you've completed all of the steps, you should have a fully functional planner to help keep you organized. Use the tabs at the top or left side of the page to navigate your way around. Plan monthly, weekly, so as you can see, this is my preferred way to plan, and daily. View your year from a bird's eye view. Navigate through a variety of stickers, navigate through a variety of resources, and even templates. Believe me, there is plenty here to explore, so go ahead and check it out. Now, on to your Builderall software updates for January. Mockup Studio. If you haven't had a chance to check out our latest additions, I encourage you to do so. Take a look at this promotional van. Once you've configured it the way you want it, you end up with something like this. Pretty cool, right? This is one of many different mockups you can create with Builderall's Mockup Studio. All right, now let's jump right into an e-learning course and show you how you can move a lesson from one module to the next. Check this out. So here we are inside the e-learning tool in one of our courses. Now what I want to do is I want to go right down here to modules and lessons, where you can now move lessons from one module to another. So what I want to do is I want to click here and show you the two lessons under module 1. Now let's scroll down here to module 2. If I click here, we're going to also show you two lessons. So let's go ahead and move lesson 1 into module 1. To do that, just head over right here to the up and down arrow icon. Go ahead and click on it, and then just select the module that you wish to move that lesson to. So for this example, we're going to select module 1, select OK, and now you're going to notice that the lesson has been removed from module 2 and inserted into module 1. So all you have to do now is just go right here to the pencil icon, and let's go ahead and change this to lesson 3 now, and then select save. All right, so we have some WordPress updates. Here are a couple updates to WordPress Pro. We've added an icon for Help Center in the header. Our developers have also added Site ID and Backup ID in the site dashboard. Now, a quick update inside video hosting. Builderall makes it super easy to access new media directly from your Google Drive. Simply select Media, enter media name, select from Google Drive, and insert the URL link from Google Drive and select Download Media and press OK. Okay, so by now, you may already know about our e-commerce Magento tool that is currently located in Legacy from inside your apps. As of February 10th, this app will no longer be supported or available and will be discontinued. Now we know that February 10th is around the corner, so my understanding is there's been a grace period of an additional 10 days, so February 20th. Please use this time to migrate your e-commerce to WooCommerce if you're building with WordPress or Builderall e-commerce located inside Cheetah Super Checkout. Speaking of Super Checkout, remember to discontinue the use of Alt, two-step checkout, and two-step checkout options from inside your Super Checkout sales page options under the Design tab. Instead, we recommend that you use the new three-step or new two-step options going forward. And finally, check out this cool update inside our Help Desk tool. As a support specialist, my view is set to my first language, English. This is adjustable to anyone you might have offering support from all over. Let's say I get an active chat from someone who's asking a question in Spanish. Although I might recognize the language, I might not be able to make out what they're asking or even know how to respond. So here inside an active chat, I notice this is in Spanish. So with this update, you can now scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the Google Translate icon. Here, you can set your outgoing reply messages and incoming messages to be translated and then select OK. Now my customer's incoming message has been translated. And on top of that, I can now reply to my customer in English like normal, and the reply message that I prepare will be translated and only received by them, my customer, in Spanish. Pretty cool, huh? Let me tell you what else is cool. Upgrading your knowledge for free. How do you do that? Join our Tuesday night training every single week at 8 p.m. Eastern as it streams live right here into our YouTube channel. This past week, Jackie DeClercq demonstrated RSS feeds and how you can incorporate the power of RSS feeds using an RSS reader. You can also join Jackie DeClercq daily inside the Builderall University Facebook group to join her live or catch the replay of her upcoming training. Check it out. Lots of cool stuff is happening with more to come. And that's my time. I want to wish everyone a safe and enjoyable weekend. Take care.